Carson, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to try musical at school and stuff. And right now I'm going to Whole Foods with my dad. Because mom told me to bring it. We're at Whole Foods getting pasta and stuff for dinner. I'll update you when we get the phone. Dyson. Y'all, I'm not near anybody. This one's on the background, but y'all look. Ooh, this is the nicest hair dryer. I don't own this, but I wish I did. My favorite hair dryer in the whole world. Y'all, they have my Samsung edition right here. The smaller containers. My lunch was pretty good. I didn't like this sauce. It was pretty good. I drank too much soda though. I only kind of really just had a little bit of soda. I don't drink too much soda, by the way. Stuff like that. And we're at my school for the play. Let's go see the play. I'll update you after. I'm not in it, just so you know. So we got the pasta. This was what we went with. I'll show you how it is when we make it. Yeah, we might do white Alfredo sauce. I don't know.
Let's take this and smush it. Just like push it. You know what I mean? Like break it up. I may be able to get you. The smusher thing is.
I think
Good,
that
good,
should be.
good. Yeah, good.
Do you want me to start?
Right, okay, just let it sit for a while.
Good morning, guys. Today, for breakfast, I made these muffin things. My second one is so good. I made, it's on my Pinterest board. These muffin confetti pancake things. It's pancake, but like a muffin. Let me break it up for you. It's falling apart, guys. I'm just gonna watch some TV, guys. Hello, guys. Oh. I think I never thought. I never thought. My legs are always cold. I probably don't wear shorts, except in the summer, because my legs are always cold. My legs are always cold. That's why I never wear shorts, except in the summer. My legs are always cold. Come on, TV, work with me, guys. I can't remember which console was the TV. Here. Oh no. I'm gonna go. Me too. No, I'm watching, guys.
My name is Simone from Ravenville, and you're watching Disney Channel.
I don't want to watch you take a champion. Y'all want to watch you take a champion.
My trails are raw, but I still have enough to make a second batch. And now I'm like 10 to 15 minutes behind. So I'm just gonna do a little donut hole.
Oh, we're at the park area. I just flew off of Dandelion.
Embed, let's, there's a bunch of them all over right here. Hang on, we gotta finish something. Right, we'll get water we got to. There we go. Oh, they already went in.
This is my ice cream. Oh, we're gonna do basketball. Let's go. Do some basketball, guys.
I feel a leak in this one.
I don't know. Throw it in the hoop. The hoop's right there. Ready? Get in the hoop. We all ready? Or not.
I'm gonna take that phone and throw it in the pond. Make it. Throw it up there. Oh boy. It's a city reunion. Oh, watch out.
So, update time on my Sims. So right now, they are, so far I have $83. I made most of that by painting. I'm gonna paint some more. Yeah. Many bugs like. I'm playing basketball earlier.
Prepare your way there. The smartest financial products for you on NerdWallet.
What's all the Grammys? What in the world?
Megan.
Guys, look, I made Pop-Tarts. Homemade Pop-Tarts. I'm making the frost.
That's not meant. Yes.
Yes, because when like.